Hello everyone, welcome to my website and my IM project overview. The overall theme of my idea was leadership development, and this is my home screen and where I have me and Mitch Daniels and a couple of my friends, and then all of my blog posts here. And then let's dive into my IM project. So the first thing that I start out with are my lesson objectives, because I believe that that's important to be at the very top. And then I have my core standard listed here and the other standards that also go along with my thing that I'm going to focus on. And then I also have this here, which links to exactly where I pulled my standards from. And then as you scroll down, the next idea that we see is the calendar that I have made. I decided to make a calendar about over the course of 4 weeks, and as you click on each one, it says what my assignments are and what I want my students to think about, and also it gives them what's due, what's next, when to take their exams, what we need to focus on in terms of learning objectives and all of that. And as you can see, I have all these 4 weeks right here. And then as you scroll down, this is the introduction, and it's a picto chart that I have made of leadership development, and of why it's important, how to develop it, and also I threw in a personal photo because I believe that personal photos speak a lot in terms of words. And then the next thing I have is my video that I've made. And as you can see, it has Kid President in it. It has me talking and then me referencing his videos in terms of trying to boost my students into believing in themselves. And I keep going, and I have my reflection assignment at the very beginning because I want my students to begin writing a reflective journal. And I have a motivational video. And then I have Indian FFA with their, these are just all the assignments that I have listed within my Google Calendar. And then down here I have the 3 big projects that I really want my students to spend a lot of time on. And it's a group project, speech, and discussion board. And that's basically my project. And I hope you enjoyed. Have a great summer. Thank you.